Okay, so today we're going to talk about the child development and veteran services offered at Chaffey College. First, we'll talk about child development. This is a program and service that provides aid to those in need of childcare or those looking into a future working with children and developing their education. So first and foremost, their big mission is to provide high quality developmentally appropriate childcare and educational experiences for children, and to support Chaffey College students in their educational and vocational goals. They offer multiple services that provide aid to those that have children and to those that are looking for their future in childcare and child education. So some of the programs they offer are full-day preschool program. They offer a full-service preschool that has a 1-to-8 adult-to-child ratio. Center-based child care services. This is for those with smaller children, those ranging from 18 to 2.5 months. Parental education involvement. This provides seminars and classes to teach those proper and different techniques of childcare. This allows for those parents to get hands-on training with their children and learn from those that have prior experience and profession in childcare. They also offer student training. This allows Chaffey students to observe children and conduct practicum hours. So this is basically those that are looking for a future in childcare. They offer this service to observe children, possibly those pursuing education in maybe and child therapeutics and other areas that in that range. One of the big things they offer is a nutrition program. This is to serve meals to children enrolled in the program. This comes at no extra charge. It is funded by the USDA and the CACFP, and it's also eligible. You will also be eligible for the program if you receive other government aid such as food stamps. This is to help provide students that struggle to provide proper nutrition. This is one of the truly great benefits of the program, and it's something that I think should definitely be taken advantage of for those that seek it. So just a couple things on how to join this program. You can pick up an application from the Child Development Center, which is located at the main campus, or you can download the form from their website. There is a wait list more often than not, and it will continuously update throughout the summer. So if summer drops, those first in line will help fill those slots. And you also must attend 3 separate meetings. One of them is administrative orientation, the other a child development interview, and the third a classroom orientation. And applications are accepted all throughout the semester, so it's never too late to apply. Next, we'll talk about veteran services offered at Chaffey College. Their mission is to assist veteran students with the appropriate forms to process claims for veteran educational benefits. Information Center to assist with any questions concerning veteran educational benefits or educational experiences at Chaffey College. Some of the benefits that are offered through veteran services are access to federal aid from California Department of Veteran Affairs, access to mental health from those suffering from PTSD or struggle with any kind of mental health, veteran administration benefits provided from the GI Bill. This is assistance with funding and some financial aid for veterans. And access to fee waiver program. This basically waives a lot of the major fees that students receive, and it's all covered throughout their GI Bill and different government aid provided to assist them. So my final gathering from researching both programs and services, they're there to assist the students that are in need and struggle, especially with child development. You know that it can be tough to balance childcare and school life. So this program is there for those that need that help and can help them find that balance. And for veteran services, it's for those that have served this country, and provides them with a much better opportunity and assists them with a lot of the fees and registration and different stuff a lot of the students go through. And both these programs are there to help students pursue their educational goals, to help them graduate, transfer, and get their degrees, which is what we were all searching for. And that's it.